Hi guys, it's Martin here from dull Blackpool Automart today. Yeah, we've had the sun now and it's gone a bit dull, but anyway. Here's the Qashqai that you've been looking at. Lovely car, 2017, late 2007 on the 67. It's in a stunning blue colour. It's got lovely 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. They do need recutting because there's a bit of curb rash on that one. We are going to get these done. A little bit of on there, I don't know if you can see that. I think they all need doing actually. Yeah, there's a bit on this one as well. Not as bad as the others. Can you see that? It's where the lacquer I think is separating away from the alloy underneath. It's a shame, but we can get that done. We have our place at Lancaster that does this sort of stuff. Volkswagen Lancaster is our dealership. You see that? Just makes a mess of the wheel. So we will get those done. All four look like they need doing, but the rest of the car is lovely. A couple of stone chips here and there on the bonnet. Nothing major. Bear in mind the car's 4 years old now. Tinted windows at the back, nice roof bars. It's got a panoramic glass roof as well on top. I'll show you that when we get inside. I've got the keys here as well, so we can pop inside the car and look at all its bits and bobs. Just open it up. It's got a decent sized boot as well. The Qashqais, they do have a decent sized boot, and both the back seats do drop down as well on this model, as you can see. 2 layers as well, I think. Yeah, there's a double layer so you can go under there. It's good. 2 keys come with the car. Like I say, it's got tinted windows, it's got wind deflectors as well. It was obviously put on by the previous customer. And here we are inside. It's a manual 6-speed, as you can see. It's got electric mirrors. It's got folding mirrors as well, which is a good feature. And it's got electric windows front and rear. Let's jump in the car. It has done. Don't know if you can see that in the 26,062 miles. Super mileage. Super mileage. It's got the electronic handbrake. It's got the push button start, which you can see just there. I will start the car now. Clutch in, foot on brake, and off she goes. And she's up and running. Like I say, she's a 6-speed manual, which is good. She has got cruise control on the steering wheel just there, and on the left hand side you've got all your volume buttons, etc. It's got DAB radio, and I'm pretty sure you've got a 360 camera there where you can see around the car all together on the left. How clever is that? So that's your 360 reverse camera, and then you've got your let me just bring this up, navigation. It's also got sat nav as well, cruise control. It's pretty much got everything. Auto lights, auto wipers, folding mirrors, lane assist. I can see that button down there, so if you drift out of your lane and you go over a white line, it'll give you a bit of a wobble through the steering wheel just to let you know you've just gone off your lane. Like I say, electric windows all round. Just a nice car. There's a 12-volt feed there as well under that little pocket. And you've got a huge glove box here. Sorry, it's not a glove box, that's a glove box. This is the armrest. Huge. And you've got an auxiliary, I don't know if you can see that, you've got an auxiliary and a USB port in there as well. So that's handy. You also get the full book pack that's in the glove box and the locking wheel nut key that's in that little yellow bag. And here is the piece de la resistance, the massive glass panoramic roof. Huge. And there is a sunshade there that you can bring the sunshade back if you don't like it too bright in the cabin. And that's just closing now. You can just use that switch just above the interior light. I'll leave it open because it does look well when it's open. The glass doesn't open, obviously, it's just a glass roof. But it does let a lot of light into the car. There's the rear seats for you. It's got Isofix as well at the bottom, as you would expect. So yeah, Great car, great miles, super spec, loads of spec, like I say, with all the aircon, nav, DAB, cruise, folding mirrors, lane assist, 6-speed box. It's pretty much got everything, this car, it really has. Just needs a tittle of fuel in it. 29 miles left in it. Okay, we'll just I'll just finish off outside. I'll just turn this car off. Just while I'm just getting out of the car, I'll just tell you about our company. We are part of the company called the Cox Motor Group, COX. We're a 16 dealership, multi-franchise dealership. We have dealers, as you can see here, Honda bikes, there's Automart, there's Seat, and across the road is our flagship Blackpool Honda dealership. We're just across from B&Q, which is in Blackpool, just for you local people. Everyone knows where B&Q is. From the junction off the M55, junction 4 off the M55, M6, M55 to Blackpool. Yeah, just a bit more about our company. Like I say, we have 16 dealerships. We've got Lancaster, Volkswagen, Mitsubishi over at Morecambe. We've got 5 or 6 Honda dealers, 5 or 6 Seat dealers, and we've got 5 non-franchise Automart dealers. This being the Blackpool one. We've got one in Wigan, Southport, Kendal, Lancaster, obviously here at Blackpool. We just sell the non-franchise cars that our franchise dealers cannot sell, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me finish off now. Just a quick one, we do offer a delivery service on all our vehicles. It is free to UK mainland, so give us a call if you want that. We do need a bit of warning if you want it delivering, as you can imagine. Most people do, because it's free. We'll need a bit of time to get these wheels done. It'll be going up to our Lancaster branch in the next couple of days to get those wheels sorted out, this car. But if you want to road test it, give us a call as soon as you can. We'll make sure the car stays here if you do want to make an appointment to road test it. If you're distance, it's not a problem. You can go onto our website, coxmotorgroup.com, and you can secure the vehicle with an online deposit. Just so nobody else can buy it, you can reserve the car in your name, and it's all subject to you viewing it and making sure you're 100% happy with the car. If you're not, then your refund is given to you instantly. It's no quibble guarantee. We'll just give you it back, no questions asked. So I'd get online myself if you wanted this and this was a car for you, just to stop anyone else buying it, and just click that reserve button on coxmotorgroup.com. Anyway, my name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely Qashqai today. It's a diesel manual, 6-speed, got loads of toys, lovely miles, great history, 2 keys. It will be available soon after it's had its wheels repaired, which I showed you earlier in the video. Take care guys, stay safe. If you want to call me, if you want any more photos or a more personalised video on this car, I will give it to you. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager here at Blackpool Automart. Stay safe guys, take care, and hopefully speak soon. Bye for now.